There are many options in the three-row SUV market, but not many of them are as versatile as the Traverse. Chevy's SUV is strong in pretty much every aspect, but at the same time, it remains quite affordable, which is the reason why many of us call it the Value King, and things are about to get even better in the next year, so stay with us and check out 7 reasons to wait for the incredible 2026 Chevrolet Traverse. Number 7. Bold, truck-inspired design. One look at the 2026 Traverse tells you this isn't your average family hauler. The exterior design takes significant inspiration from Chevy's body-on-frame lineup, giving it a commanding presence that makes competitors look soft by comparison. The design team has doubled down on what they call the highbrow design language, resulting in a sharp, angular silhouette that turns heads wherever it goes. The front fascia features a massive grille and aggressive headlights that wouldn't look out of place on a Tahoe or Suburban. LED lighting comes standard front and rear, creating a premium light signature while improving visibility. This truck-inspired styling isn't just for show. It gives the Traverse an air of capability that most crossovers simply can't match. For 2026, the color palette has been expanded to include several eye-catching options like Mosaic Black Metallic, Lakeshore Blue Metallic, and the stunning Radiant Red tint coat. Whether you opt for the distinctive chrome accents of the High Country trim or the sporty blacked-out elements of the RS, the Traverse projects confidence from every angle. Number 6. Class-dominating interior space. If interior volume is your priority, the 2026 Traverse leaves competitors in the dust. With nearly 121 inches of wheelbase and a boxy, space-efficient design, this 3-row SUV offers genuinely usable room for adult passengers in all 3 rows, something most rivals can only dream of matching. The numbers tell the whole story. Front-row passengers enjoy a generous 44 inches of legroom, while the second row offers over 41 inches, dimensions that rival many full-size luxury sedans. But where the Traverse truly embarrasses the competition is in third-row accommodations. With more than 32 inches of legroom in the way back, adults can actually sit comfortably without their knees touching their chins. Cargo capacity is equally impressive with nearly 23 cubic feet behind the third row, 56.6 cubic feet with the third row folded, and a cavernous 97.6 cubic feet with both rear rows down. These figures don't just lead the class, they obliterate most competitors. For context, that's almost as much cargo room as Chevy's larger, more expensive Tahoe. And for 2026, the standard hands-free power liftgate makes accessing all that space easier than ever, even when your arms are full of groceries or sports equipment. Number 5. Tech that works for families. The 2026 Traverse isn't just about raw space. It's packed with technology that makes family life easier. At the center of it all is a massive 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen that dominates the dashboard with crisp graphics and lightning-fast response. Paired with an 11-inch digital instrument cluster, it creates a high-tech environment that feels premium without being intimidating. For 2026, Chevy has enhanced the user interface with more intuitive menus and improved voice recognition, making it easier to access functions while keeping your eyes on the road. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as does a wireless charging pad ensuring your devices stay powered up without cable clutter. The tech advantage extends beyond entertainment, with a comprehensive suite of charging options throughout the cabin. USB ports are strategically placed in all 3 rows, and a standard 120-volt household-style power outlet means you can plug in laptops, game consoles, or other devices on long trips. What makes the Traverse's tech truly family-friendly is how it balances cutting-edge features with straightforward usability. Unlike some competitors that hide essential functions in confusing submenus, the Traverse keeps climate controls and other frequently used features readily accessible, making it perfect for busy parents who don't have time to hunt through digital menus. Number 4. Value-packed trim structure. In a market where option packages and trim levels can quickly balloon prices, the 2026 Traverse takes a refreshingly straightforward approach. Rather than overwhelming buyers with countless configurations, Chevy has streamlined the lineup to just 4 well-equipped trims, each offering exceptional value at its price point. The base LT trim, starting around $41,000, comes loaded with features that are optional on many competitors. Beyond the impressive tech we've already mentioned, you'll find heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, tri-zone climate control, and remote start, all standard equipment. Perhaps most impressively, the trailering package, which includes a heavy-duty cooling system and hitch guidance, now comes standard on the base model as well. Moving up the range, the off-road-oriented Z71, priced around $48,000, adds all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and specialized suspension tuning without breaking the bank. The luxury-focused High Country goes around $54,000 and brings premium touches like ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and a 10-speaker Bose audio system, while the the sporty RS, priced at around $56,000, adds a panoramic sunroof and unique styling elements. The simplified lineup means you get more for your money at every price point, with less confusion and fewer hidden costs than you'll find with most competitors. In 2026, when many manufacturers are pushing prices ever higher, the Traverse maintains its position as the value king of the segment. Number 3. Capable and efficient powerhouse. Under the hood, the 2026 Traverse continues with a potent turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine introduced previously. What sets this power plant apart is how it delivers more power and torque than traditional V6 engines while maintaining better fuel efficiency. With 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque on tap, it strikes an ideal balance between capability and economy. For 2026, Chevy engineers have fine-tuned the powertrain for smoother throttle response and better refinement, addressing the few complaints drivers had with earlier versions. Paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, the Traverse delivers power right when you need it, whether you're merging onto the highway or pulling a trailer. Speaking of towing, the 2026 Traverse maintains its respectable 5,000-pound maximum towing capacity, enough to handle most family boats, campers, or toy haulers. The standard trailering package now includes enhanced cooling systems and specialized camera views that make hitching and towing easier than ever, especially for those new to pulling trailers. Fuel economy remains a strong point, with front-wheel drive models achieving 20 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. Solid numbers for a vehicle of this size and capability. Even all-wheel drive versions maintain respectable efficiency at 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Number 2. Comfort first ride quality. While some manufacturers chase sporty handling at the expense of comfort, Chevrolet knows what families truly want: a smooth, quiet ride. The 2026 Traverse excels with a suspension tuned specifically for absorbing road imperfections, making long family trips far more pleasant than in firmer riding competitors. Road noise has been further minimized for 2026, with additional sound insulation and acoustic glass creating a quieter cabin environment. This focus on refinement means you can have conversations with third-row passengers without raising your voice, and children are more likely to fall asleep on longer journeys. The comfort-first philosophy extends to the seating position and visibility as well. The Traverse offers a commanding view of the road ahead. While large side windows minimize blind spots and help rear passengers avoid motion sickness, small details that make a huge difference on family road trips. For those who occasionally venture off the beaten path, the Z71 trim provides additional capability without sacrificing on-road comfort. Its specialized suspension tuning and all-terrain tires are designed to handle dirt roads and light trails while still delivering a civilized ride on pavement, a rare combination in the mid-size crossover segment. Number 1. Unmatched safety technology. Another reason to wait for the 2026 Traverse is its comprehensive approach to family safety. While competitors often reserve advanced safety features for higher trims or expensive option packages, the Traverse includes an astonishing array of driver assistance systems as standard equipment across the entire lineup. Here's what comes standard on every 2026 Traverse: forward collision warning, forward and reverse automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system. But Chevy doesn't stop there. The 2026 model also includes more advanced features like traffic sign recognition, speed limit assist, and driver attention monitoring at no additional cost. For 2026, Chevy has enhanced these systems with more sophisticated sensors and faster processors, resulting in smoother operation and fewer false alerts. The adaptive cruise control in particular now provides more natural acceleration and braking patterns, making it more useful in everyday traffic. Perhaps most impressive is the availability of Super Cruise, Chevrolet's hands-free driving technology, as an option on higher trims. This system allows for truly hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of compatible highways across North America, reducing driver fatigue on long trips while maintaining an unwavering focus on safety. When it comes to protecting your most precious cargo, nothing on the market matches the Traverse's combination of physical safety structure and technological assistance, making it a natural family SUV choice for 2026. But there are many other great options in this class. Check out this video about things that make the 2026 Honda Pilot so special, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's 3-row SUV seems as practical as Traverse, but further exceeds in aspects like refinement, ride quality, and overall quality. Thanks for watching and see you next time.